I think I've actually used Gentle Magic for 8 years now. 8 years. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I wanted to show you my skincare routine using Gentle Magic products. If that is something that you might be interested in seeing, then stay tuned. But before we get into it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Let's get into it. So to start, I wash my face with the bar soap, but sometimes I mix it up. Sometimes I also use the skincare mask. So today I'm going to show you how I use both of them. First things first, of course, I wash my face with the soap, and I don't use like a towel or anything. I just use my hands to rub it into my skin. Just like that. And the bar lasts me a whole month. It really goes a long way. It's very effective. You just want to make sure that you wash your face until it's nice and squeaky and clean. And you know that feeling when your face is clean, most. It's squeaky. Nice and squeaky and clean. Oh, and I use warm water as well for washing. I don't know why. I just feel like warm water is best because I hate cold water. Boarding school memories. Yo guys, boarding school. Hey, at my boarding school you'd always bath in ice cold water, whether it's summer, winter, what, ice cold water. And if you don't bath, the girls would go and tell the boys that you didn't bath. So it was a non-starter. You had to bath. I was literally scarred for life, guys. As a result, if I have a choice, I never use cold water for anything. So now I just pat dry like this, just like how you see on the commercials, the adverts. Be gentle with your skin. Does it really matter though whether you rub your skin or not? I really don't know. But anyways, we pat dry, and then afterwards we move on to the mask. So now the mask instructs to use for 15 to 30 seconds. Me now, I take it, put it on my skin just like this, and I leave it on until it's dry. I don't listen to the instructions, guys. I just put it on and leave it on until it's dry. And this product has helped me a lot, definitely, with like what is it called, hyperpigmentation, I think, because I used to have like these little spots when I was about 14, and I would scratch them all the time. Like I would literally be scraping them like this. So my skin really darkened in that part of my face. So it's like I don't even need contour. I've got like a natural contour that comes from the blackening that happened to my skin because I used to scratch it so much. So yeah, with this one I just gently scrub, but I also don't put it on my eyes. The skin on my eyes feels sensitive. I don't know why, so I just avoid that. The little Gentle Magic, the one that's like the ointment, the little one, it helps. Like if your skin is peeling and stuff, you just rub it in. I don't have that one. Actually, I don't remember seeing it in the shops for a long while now, for a long time. But that one is really good. So yeah, with the mask, I just keep rubbing it in like this. Everywhere on my neck, everywhere, especially here, because it's like I get really oily there. And yeah, so now it's really drying up, and when it's drying up, the consistency somewhat changes. It even becomes a bit thicker. I don't know if you guys can tell. Can you tell? So before I used Gentle Magic, I did try a number of products. Like I would use, alright, let me not say names. I would use other products, but just didn't agree with my skin because I've got very oily skin that peels quickly. So some of the products would leave me peeling. But when I start using Gentle Magic, my skin is nice and supple, it's hydrated, it's moistened, it's alive, and my complexion also evened out very well. Okay, so now I can feel that it's drying. It's definitely dried out in these parts here. So then after that, I wash off the mask. So it's time to rinse off the mask. It's nice and dry now. Don't ask me why I leave it to dry when the instructions clearly say you must leave it on for 15 to 30 seconds. I don't know why I do it. I just like it that way. Alright, let me just quickly wash it off. Alright, now my skin is nice and clean, like it's very squeaky. So now I can just quickly dry it off. But the one instruction that I do follow with the mask is to use it 2 to 3 times a week. I only use it maybe like 2 times a week. I don't use it that often, but I don't really have a reason why I use it only 2 times a week. It's probably just because I'm lazy. But the thing that I definitely use every day without fail 2 times a day is the soap. I use it to wash my face every damn day. So now just quickly dry it off. So now I'm gonna take you guys through the other steps, which is the lotion, the serum, all the good stuff. Alright guys, now that my face is nice and washed, then now I'm going to start using the products. I use the little cotton pads. Any brand is fine. And I use it with the lotion. So first things first, with the lotion, I just put like a small amount on the cotton pad, and then I just use it to clean my skin. And usually you'll see that when you use it like for wiping your skin and scrubbing and stuff, it comes out with extra stuff, like extra dirt. But also I avoid my eye area. I think I just have sensitive eyes. As you can see, my under eyes are a bit dark, so I just avoid aggravating them for no reason, you see. And this is very affordable. The lotion is very affordable. The soap is also very affordable. I think the soap is like 13 rand, which is like a no-brainer. Most products are way more expensive than that, and with the results that I get with this product, it's a no-brainer. Look at this, guys. Can you see? I'm shocked. I'm shooketh. But anyways, I've had worse days of getting more stuff out of my skin. So yeah, after I'm done with the lotion, I go even behind my ears, within my ears, everywhere. And then once I'm happy with that, I put this away and I move on to the next step, which is the serum. The serum is the most expensive one out of all the Gentle Magic range. But if you are to choose, because I use the whole product range, but if I'm to recommend, like if you are to choose what you can't do without, definitely the soap, the serum, and the cream. Those 3. I think those 3 are the must-haves. Then the others, they are nice to haves, but I think having the full kit and using the full kit helps a lot. Actually, it was my sister-in-law who taught me about Gentle Magic. Before, I was just struggling with my skin, and she has got the most beautiful skin. Yo, my sister-in-law, she's just marvelous. About 5 years ago, I remember I was still at university. I think that was like my attachment year. Is that 3rd year or my 3rd year? Yeah, that's when I started using it, and now it's like 5 years post-graduation. So I think I've actually used Gentle Magic for 8 years now. 8 years. Bella, that's a marriage. We're married. Yeah, so after I put in the serum, then I move on to the tissue oil. As you can see, I use it so often, it's almost running out now. But these products, they really last, guys. If I just buy the full set, it's enough to last me a month, and it's less than 150 rand for everything. Very affordable. So with the tissue oil, I also just rub it in and put it everywhere except for my under eyes. The only thing that I allow to go into my eyes is the serum. The rest of the stuff I can't risk, guys. I actually put the tissue oil if I'm not going anywhere. Like now I know I'm not going anywhere, but if I was going out, I would have used the cream instead, because it's got like a slightly mattifying effect, but it still keeps like the skin nice and hydrated and supple and beautiful. And then I just like to put on a bit of lip gloss. Hi Bo. Guys, I've been using this lip gloss and it's been clear the whole time. It's been like clear. All of a sudden it's pink. Can someone explain this to me? Hey. I'm shocked. Literally guys, I'm not lying to you. This thing was clear the whole time. All of a sudden now it's pink. Hey. Aisha. Okay, so now we're nice and glowy and hydrated. Everything is in its place. If you checked out my previous upload where I did like a makeup loop tying to use makeup products, I just realized I really do not need foundation. Actually, I've never found a foundation that works for me. It's either it leaves my skin dry and patchy and flaky and like with scales, so I just avoid using it. And now I've just realized maybe it's better if I just use concealer like for my under eyes and yeah, for like J. But really with Gentle Magic I've realized that I don't even need makeup because my skin is just doing the things. It's doing the things. If you like it, you should definitely try it out. I highly recommend it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up because that really supports my channel. Also, check out the links in the description box to other videos on my channel. Be sure to find me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen. Find me on Facebook at yeukai.loreen. Check out my business page, Wholesome Express. And thank you to all the new subscribers who have joined the family. I'm so excited to have you here, so happy to have you here. And just let me know in the comment section which videos you enjoy on my channel, which videos you would like to see more of, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. Also, let me know in the comment section which products you are using for your skin. Are they working for you? Are they not working for you? What is the price range? Because I feel like Gentle Magic is the perfect price range. It has definitely worked so well for me, and I just feel like I've gotten the best results. So let me know in the comment section which products you use for your skin. Are you happy with them? Are you winning with them? Are they a good price range for you? Of course, like I also wish one day to use at the levels and then buy like the skincare, my Edgar's, my Foschini and whatnot. But for now, I'm still at Pep. For now, I'm still at Pep. So like, just let us know. Let's all communicate. Let's get to know each other. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm so excited to have you all here. I love you so much. Mwah. See you in the next one.